Meaning of falsehood.
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 Falsehood. Falsehood refers to a statement or belief that is not true, accurate, or founded on facts. It can be intentional or unintentional, but either way, it is a misrepresentation of reality. Falsehoods have the potential to cause harm by spreading misinformation, creating confusion, or promoting erroneous beliefs. They can also damage reputations, relationships, and trust. Therefore, it is important to be mindful of the information we share and verify its accuracy before disseminating it to others. Ultimately, falsehoods undermine our ability to make informed decisions and navigate the complexities of the world around us.